So I got this big box delivered today by FedEx. So I'm opening it up very carefully. And here's the Happy New Gear Day from Sweetwater with the candy. I ordered a new guitar. I'm so excited about getting this Fender. And here I am opening it up very carefully. And it's had the 55-point inspection done by Sweetwater. And here I am sliding it out. I'm so excited. Woohoo! So I got a Happy New Gear Day from Sweetwater. Andrew is my guy. I've known him for years and he takes excellent care of me whenever I order something from Sweetwater. And today I got the Fender Newporter player. It's the California series. Absolutely gorgeous guitar. This color is tide pool and I love it. Makes me thinking about walking around the tide pools down in the Caribbean. And if you look in the background there, there's the Fender Malibu that's about 10 years old. And I love that guitar. It's a little bit smaller, and this is the next size up in the California series. And then there's one more that's a little bit bigger, the Redondo. It's an acoustic electric that's got a big tone and robust volume. It's solid spruce top with sapele back and sides, which creates a warm, highly resonant tone and spans high, mid, and low ranges. So let me just show you this because it's beautiful on the side. There's the tone and volume buttons, and look at that. Woo! Pretty. It's got the classic Fender 6 inline headstock. It's got a NATO neck and a walnut fingerboard and makes it easy to play. It's got Fishman design pickups in there. It's got this pretty aged white binding around it, and it's got the Viking bridge, which enhances the resonance of this guitar. You can see that it's designed in Southern California and it's crafted in Indonesia. So you can play anything on this guitar and it sounds great. So I'm just going to play the beginning of a couple of songs that I wrote, and then I'll plug it in and we can hear the electric. So here we go. I may not be your cup of tea. That's exactly how it should be. We all like different things. You may not like my awesome sauce, but I'm cool with that, 'cause I like me and Fender and Sweetwater. Okay. Old friend, I've been wondering how you are. We've had some sweet memories under the sun and the stars. Okay, let's plug it in. Play a little bit of a song that I wrote called Hit the Road. Gonna hit the road. Yeah, we got to go. Let's lighten our load and see some new scenery. I'm gonna to play a little bit of a song that I wrote about how much I love jamming with my jammer buddies. Lift each other up, cheer each other on. We all share the love of music and shine on each other. And then one last one here. It's the beginning of Eagle and Hawk by John Denver. So, thank you, Fender. I love my Fenders. I guess I've always been a Fender girl, so thank you. And thank you, Sweetwater. Thank you, Andrew, for taking such good care of me and getting me this beauty. And just so you know, our puppy Maple Sugar loves Happy New Gear Day too. And she loves the new Fender Newporter guitar. Okay, let's go play.